O.T. Fairclough, when after gathered some people, he had been able to get some people to come together to form the public opinion. So the public opinion wrote criticizing the situation and suggested change. So when O.T. Fairclough went to Norman Manley, it was to get him. He was wise enough to know that if you were to have a great party, you should have somebody who was respected, loved, and could create a new situation.
So he brought the group together and
O.T. Fairclough went to Norman Manley.
Yes.
He went to Norman Manley with the group.
With the group, okay. And asked Norman Manley to
Lead the party.
Okay.
That is an important thing that we have not been
Right.
saying.
So really, for all intents and purposes, he was the person who, in real terms, founded the party, although Norman Manley was the leader.
Yes, yes.
He brought
Yes, he exercised a mission and went all over the country at his own expense. He, as a matter of fact, when I look back now, I wondered how he did it. Because when he went to people like Arnett, you know, they were remote away in Trelawney.
But he himself never had any leadership ambitions himself.
He had no leadership ambition, although he was treasurer for a long time. His ambition was never to lead the party. He wanted to influence the direction in which the party would go. And as I tell you, and I want you to remember this, I repeat it often, it was the upward social mobility of the people that we wanted to take place. And from then, and I hope it's still so today, the People's National Party was founded on the principle that our people would live better, would have better education, would have better health, and these were fundamental.